What's up, guys? Aaron Productions here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this little door alarm that you can get from the dollar store, which I actually think is cool. You'll see why in a second. But first of all, it's really easy to use. You just turn it on, and as I said, it can be found at the dollar store at the Dollar Tree. Here's a picture where it is. It's in the hardware section. When you open the door, sets it off like that. So sorry about these dots all over the camera because I just wiped it down with microfiber cloth, and apparently it still doesn't like to get clean. I'm gonna have to buy some lens wipes that are actually proper because it does get quite annoying. So if you don't know how this works, here's a diagram, but it uses a reed switch, which is magnetic. It's looking for magnetic field. So we have a magnet inside here, and the reed switch is right here. So when the reed switch doesn't detect a magnet, it activates. Sorry, I have a cold, and that's how that works. Also, see, move the magnet away from it. So let's turn this off now, and I'll be right back and see if I can open. So under this adhesive here, I kind of figured this would happen. There's actually a little screw in here, so if you want to get this and take it apart, make sure you get a little screwdriver. I'm just using a flathead here. This is from an eyeglass kit. I do have other screwdrivers though. Sorry, I'm holding this selfie stick with my leg. Let's see. Wow, it appears that this actually is a... Nope, I just dropped out all the batteries. But it appears that this actually is a plate. It's not a tornado siren, apparently. Let's see how it sounds. Well, sorry if the camera was never looking at anything. Let me check. This side is the positive. Okay guys, so I had the batteries going the wrong way, but I took the magnet out of here, so the magnet's just held inside this casing right here, and when you line it up like that, the magnet will stay down here and make the reed switch closed. As you can see, here's the reed switch right here. It wants to stick to these batteries. Okay, so as we can see, this is way softer. Ow. Oh, it doesn't hurt, it just vibrates a lot. See that? If I put something on it, it vibrates it. It's weird. Put the screwdriver on it. See that? It's probably messing up my camera microphone or something. But let's turn this off first. If we put this back here, okay, so I can't really demonstrate it, so I'll have it up here, and when I press it down, you can hear it's back to full volume. So now it's just time for me to put this together. And as we can see, if we open the door, wow. I'm going to put some new adhesive on here, but otherwise, I'm not sure. Oh, the batteries rattle, but I'm going to put some new adhesive in here, but regardless of that, that's going to conclude this video, guys. Peace out.